that's my crew. Yeah, y'all already know what I do. Yo, stay sturdy with my crew. Stay sturdy with my crew. Yo, yo, yo. When I pull up, go boom. Yeah, I'm flying past you. Yeah, the dash saying 200. Yeah, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Yo, I'm gone. You tryna race me? Yo, you dead wrong. What's good, y'all? This your boy Moto Loso when I'm back at with another video for you guys. Here doing the intro because my intro on my vlogging camera didn't really work out. So I'm gonna get y'all through this video real quick. So I just purchased the CAMPARK action cameras 4K, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts before I went. I'm gonna show you my thoughts before I went editing the video and everything, and I'm gonna tell you about all the accessories, how much it costs. I'm gonna have it linked down below what I thought. But first, we're gonna go to this food truck out here in Lacey, Washington. Well, technically, I'm gonna go get this cut that y'all already seen already. I went to go get a haircut and kind of messed up my edge. You feel me? But that's a whole nother story. But make sure y'all subscribe to your boy Moto Loso. Join the Moto gang. Hit that like button. It helps me and the YouTube algorithm. We almost at 1,000. Come on, man. We like quarter of a way there. Come on, let's get to 250 subscribers. We can do that. If you're new and you're not subscribed to this channel, you're bugging. All right. So I went to Taco Brothers food truck out there in Lacey. They lit. They got really good tacos. Another good spot if you out here in Washington, go check out the California taco food trucks. They're good too. So then I scooted over like 5 minutes away from there, helped out Utah and his girlfriend, moved some furniture from their storage unit. They moving out here too. Gang, baby. Bro, the whole gang out here. We lit. So if y'all know who Utah is, he got the, he used to have the ZX6R, and then he now has the white. When y'all see me riding with the white CBR 600, that's my boy Utah. So we helped him out today, and then we're gonna talk about this camera, alright? Gang. Ooh, you gonna have my boy Utah move. Yo, so I just got done helping them pack it up. So I'm about to head home. with the fam, but I'm glad to have my boys, all the whole crew out here in fucking Lacey. Shit is lit. Shit is lit, man. Well, make sure y'all go hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all join the join the Moto gang. Join the Moto gang. Make sure you join Moto Loso on Facebook. We got a Facebook group. Join that. What else we got? We on Discord. Make sure you join my Discord group. Just comment down below. I'll share the link to y'all. All that. What else we got? Follow me on Instagram, Moto Loso. We got a whole lot of stuff, man. Make sure y'all down with the crew. Yeah, man. Ooh, it got a lot warmer, or I got the blood warmed up from picking up heavy bodies. Cause it feels so much better out right now. Not even gonna lie to you, it feels amazing. Like straight up. Hey. So yeah, I really. Oh, look at them over there enjoying their bike ride. I feel like this weekend. Man, this 2021 is so dope. 2021 is so dope. I really need to look into a vacation, man. I need to figure out. I haven't got my COVID vaccine. Bro, I haven't got my COVID vaccine yet, so I really don't know where I can go. Where I can really go. I haven't got my COVID vaccine yet, so I really don't know where I could go for a vacation like that without a vaccine and not having to quarantine, outside the country. I'm not trying to be like basic or whatever. I'm trying to go to places like Hawaii or somewhere in the Caribbean, St. Lucia or something. And I don't know. I don't want to go into my little soapbox about the COVID vaccine or whatever, but I just feel like, just like the flu, you don't really need a flu shot. Why do you need a COVID shot for? You feel me? Like, I just prefer not to put it in my body, As of right now, that's my choice. But I definitely want to keep others safe, of course. I don't want to put other people at risk and stuff like that. I think what they're doing for the quarantine, the 2-week quarantine in most countries, or week quarantine, that's cool. But I mean, honestly, with the job market right now and everything, who has like a week or two to waste of their vacation time to waste in a foreign country quarantining? Like, seriously, nobody really has that. Most Americans don't have that much paid time off, or even if it's unpaid vacation time.
I would, unless it's like you're going back to the country you live in, or you're retired, or you just got it like that. I don't know. The only other thing I can say is maybe if you work from home, that might be great, to be honest, because you can just work while you're on quarantine, and then once your quarantine period up, you can just take your vacation time, man. That'd be lit. That'd be dope. I feel like they will eventually either get rid of that in most countries, because most of these islands, they make pretty much 80% of their revenue off tourists. So it's not like the countries don't want us there. They really do need us there. I know they're really hurting not having tourists there. So I think once the test humans that they got that already took the COVID vaccine, and they get all their research from y'all, it'll make it good. It'll make it great for people like me. You feel me? Vacation. I appreciate y'all going to COVID research. You guys should get the medal of COVID. Yeah, man. About to go home. See what the kiddo's doing. Love this park. I need to go hoop. Memorial weekend. I think I might barbecue this weekend, so if you're not already, go check out my main vlogging channel, The Amazing Life of Chris, and y'all can go see what I end up, barbecuing or whatever. I'll probably do something maybe tomorrow or something like that, so we'll see how that goes. Once again.
All right, so now that we done eating and everything, now that we done eating and helping Utah move out here, packing stuff on the U-Haul truck, let's really go ahead and talk about this CAMPARK 4K camera that I got. For my motovlogging setup, for my helmet, I basically got the Hero 7, but I spent almost $200 on this Hero 7, and we still not we still not monetized on the channel, guys. So I basically used the monetization money that I get from my main channel. Once again, if you're not subscribed to that, The Amazing Life of Chris, go subscribe to that. I got like family stuff on there, but with the CAMPARK camera now, it's a little cheaper. I probably spent like $40-50 on it, but hopefully it does the job. We're gonna see how the video quality comes out on that, on this little vlog right here, and y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all liking the front facing camera look? Do y'all want me to put it down by like my foot pegs by the exhaust? Because I could always you can mount these things anywhere around the bike, so I might try to get like a whole bunch of different angles with this other camera. So sometimes it might be the front view. If I'm riding with somebody else, I might actually put it back here on my undertail and face it back, so y'all could see behind me. That'd be great shots. So I might do something like that. I'm kind of scared. I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I might put it up here. I might be a little scared putting it down by my wheel, because I don't know, it might fall off, you feel me? So I might stick it like right here or something. So we'll see. But I'm really digging it. I think it'll add a lot. It'll add a lot to the channel, and I enjoy when I watch motovlogs. I like seeing people's faces and stuff. So I'll link it down in the description below. If you're trying to motovlog or whatever, this might be a great option for you, because it still uses the GoPro mounts and everything like that, and it's way cheaper. We're gonna see. I'm not sure about the quality. Yeah, it says 4K, but we're gonna see what the quality, if it's up to GoPro's like GoPro standards. And in my opinion, honestly, I feel like GoPro is like so overrated. I feel like their cameras are very overpriced. For what I use it for, at least, I'm just using it really for the action shots. You know, I'm not sure. It might be way more worth it if I'm trying to do like things in the water and stuff like that. Quality might be great, but for my motorcycle content, you know, I feel like there's a lot of options out there, and that's why I went with this. Because it's just for front facing views. It's not gonna be my main camera. It's just to get extra shots and content from you guys. And, you know, I'm just trying to make the channel content better. And, you know, I enjoy any feedback, negative, positive, whatever. You know, I'm gonna listen to it. So that's where I gotta say. That's where I'm coming from. So once again, y'all hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Motoloso. So while I was editing this video, bro, this action camera, everything was all wavy, like images was like wavy and whatever. You know, you definitely get what you pay for. Like, I definitely didn't pay a lot of money for this camera. You know, the quality of the camera isn't that great. You know, it feels real toyish, like something for the kids or whatever. I don't think it's genuine 4K. I think this camera is pretty good for like a dash cam or something you can use. I think it's good enough to do what I wanted to do, and that is to get just the front-facing images of me while I'm on my camera. I definitely will say after using this camera, I don't think it's good enough to replace a GoPro quality camera. It's just the image is really shaky and the audio is garbage. I don't know if it's just the case. I have on the like the waterproof case on it right now, so I don't know if it's because of that. The audio sounds terrible, but it's most likely that. But yeah, I definitely would recommend replacing your GoPro for your main footage and getting one of those. So, but for what I need it for, as of right now, I think it's decent. Y'all tell me what y'all think down below, and then yeah.